Hi, and welcome to our inaugural break. We've got some packs. Ice, Certified, Crown Royale. Which one are we doing first?
I guess let's start with the ice since that's what we seem like we have the most of.
No, it's two of each.
Okay.
I can't wait to see what legends we did.
Alright, let's see. First card.
Oh my god, it's Marcus Johansson.
Marcus Johansson. Okay.
He's such a champion.
Honestly, the clear cards are pretty cool,
Yeah. Oh, there's Dreisaitl.
though. Okay, we got a Draisaitl.
Base card. We've got a blank piece of paper. Premieres Gabriel Carlson.
Okay. Columbus. Want to say?
I've never heard of this person. And Nick Jalmerson with the
Okay.
Coyotes.
Jalmerson. Okay.
Are we doing the other ice, or are we doing a different one?
Yeah, let's just do them both.
Okay, we've got Nicky Foligno.
Okay, Nick Foligno, before he went to Boston.
Jonathan Taves before he went to wherever he's going to go. We've got our piece of paper. Patrick Laine.
Okay, we got something.
Of course, a Blue Jackets legend. Corey Crawford.
We got
Sub-Zero.
Oh, it's a Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero.
It's Corey Crawford. He plays goalie.
Through the Crown Royale.
Both of them.
Sure.
Okay. Next we have Crown Royale. Sub-Zero. That was a big hit.
What do you want to say those
Don't
go?
see hits like that nowadays.
Oh, man, those go for at least $2. Okay. So
Oh my God! Speak of the devil, it's Corey Crawford again.
Oh, see, might be that day.
And it's Evander Kane.
Yeah, those are actually kind of cool looking base cards, though.
And I didn't know he played for Winnipeg.
Evander Kane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got
So
Duncan Keith. Oh, we've got a hit.
Got a hit.
We'll save that for the last. Kari Lettinen.
Okay, a name we haven't heard in a while.
Speaking of names we haven't heard in a while, Ed Jovanovski.
Jovocop.
And now I'm going to slow reveal the hit.
Oh. What do we got? Silhouette.
It's a good patch.
Yeah. Oh, we got a patch.
And it's Milan Hajduk.
Milan Hajduk. Patch auto. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool.
Spicy.
I'd say that is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, and the patch has two colors.
Is that one numbered too? Looks like 12 or something.
12 of 25.
12 of 25.
Yeah, got a spicy hit there.
Yeah, damn.
Okay, let's open up the other Crown Royale. We've got Zdeno Chara.
Okay. Is that Reimer?
James Reimer,
Yep.
Optimus Prime. Another goalie.
Is that Holtby? Yeah,
What's
70.
Holtby?
Yeah, 70. Dustin Brown.
Dustin Brown. Oh, when he was the captain.
Yeah. This looks like we got a hit here. Oh,
Oh, it's a Black Hawk. Oh, it's rookie Sean Lalonde.
Sean Lalonde.
What a superstar he is.
Hey, we got it. We got an autograph. Like that's already 2 hits.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Rookie royalty.
Yeah. I mean,
Sean Lalonde. Incredible.
so let's see. All we got left is the
2012
the certified.
13 certified.
All right.
Right off the bat, we've got Patrice.
Yes. Okay. These are some like shiny looking cards.
Michael Camilleri.
A name we haven't heard in a while.
Mike Green.
Okay. It's a big name back then.
Was he? I've never heard of him. A blank piece of cardboard.
Is that Cam
Brian
Moore?
Boucher.
Oh, Brian Boucher.
Speak of the pack that has names we haven't heard. And finally, our last pack. We've got John Tavares.
All right. Oh, back when he was an assistant captain.
We've got we've got a hit. I'll put that in the back.
Got a hit.
Danny Briere.
Danny Briere. Damn, these really are some names. It's been a while.
Another blank fucking thing. Claude Giroux.
Claude Giroux. It's pretty cool cards though.
Dustin Byfuglian.
He's making
No reaction to Dustin.
that was definitely
Byfuglian.
that was a give me the food face.
Okay, so first off, we've got 34 out of 99.
Okay.
What a face he's got.
Okay, is that Mark Stahl?
Yes, it is.
Mark Stahl and numbered 34 of 99.
New York Rangers.
Well, I'd have to say that, I mean, 2 hits out of these packs is actually pretty good.
3 hits out of these packs.
That's not signed, right?
Huh?
Is that one like a special series? Is that why it's blue?
Yeah, it's blue and it's numbered. So we've got, for hits, we've got Mark Stahl. We've got Sean Lalonde signature. We of course have our Milan Hayduk signed patch.
It's a pretty good patch.
That's signed on the card too.
Yeah.
And of course, Sub-Zero Corey
Oh,
Crawford.
the Sub-Zero, yeah.
And I think there was, right, rookie premieres.
Gabriel
Carlson.
Number 856 of 999.
So many big hits today.
Yeah, hey, and we've got plenty more packs on the way.